I will talk about how can you find custom domain on your Medium app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this on your photo down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, you click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just switch into open with you. So then you go down here and you click here on you click here on custom domain here. So then it's going to take you to this list. So before that, you have to get here upgrade. You just click on it. So then here can you choose if you want to pay yearly or monthly here. So then it's going to add with you on your uh, on your Medium app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.